Hi guys, Joel and Peter here again for another investing content. So now that you understand the basics of investing and you know what brokers to start your investing journey on, depending on wherever you are in the world, let's talk about investing strategies. So today we'll be getting into the business of investing. So when you talk about investing strategies, there are two main strategies to approach investing. And number one is active investing, while the second is called passive investing. But first, we are going to talk about active investing. Now, active investing means actively buying or selling securities, equities, or in English, stocks to outperform a benchmark or index in the market like the S&P 500. Now, in summary, for this to be way easier for you, active investing means buying simple stocks like maybe you're buying Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, or any other individual stock of your choice with the hope or with the purpose or intentions of outperforming the benchmark market index. And a benchmark or market index of the stock market that is mostly used is the S&P 500. A great analogy I like for explaining active investing is, for example, take for example, you are a professional basketball player and you are trying different strategies or different ways to outscore your opponent. Now, your opponent is the S&P 500 or the benchmark or other market index, while you are the player picking individual stocks to beat the market. So that is in summary what active investing is in a way that you perfectly understand. So now that you know about active investing, let's talk about passive investing. Now remember the basketball analogy I used earlier, that imagine you are a player trying to outscore your opponent. In passive investing, you are not a player, you are on the side stand, you are a spectator, and you are literally at the mercy of the market. So if you're investing just in the S&P 500, whatever the S&P 500 returns that year, that's what you're going to get. So, and if you look at financial analysis from the S&P 500, every year it returns 8%. So if you're okay with just that 8%, yearly you can invest in the S&P 500. But if the market performs badly, if it's a bear market, you might lose money if the S&P 500 trades below, let's say it trades 5% at the end of the year or 3%. Now, both strategies are great and awesome, but the best way to actually invest is a blend, and I'll talk about a blend next. So that you know what active and passive investing is, let's talk about blend or a combination of both as a better term for it. Now, when you blend both strategies, it means you're actively investing and passively investing. So that means you might have the SPY, you might have the QQQ, you might have the Russell 2000, IWM, and you also have individual stocks. You have Apple, Meta, Taiwan Semiconductor, Eli Lilly, a bunch of stocks if you want. And both strategies are great, but a blend is way better to diversify your portfolio, thereby reducing your risks. In case individual stocks does not perform great, your ETFs or your index funds that you've invested in will perform great. So that is what the blend is about. So now that I've discussed about active and passive investing, I'm going to show you guys a screen recording of me investing in both, investing passively and actively on Bamboo app or broker. So stick with me and catch this next. Yeah, guys, I told you all that I'll be doing a screen record of me investing. So this is me converting 10k naira into that's like $6. So this video is really fast. So if you can try to capture my voice, that's cool. So I just converted 10,000 naira into $6, and I'm going to buy stocks with that. So this portfolio is my company's portfolio, so I can't show you the stocks in there. We can take a screenshot of that. Good. So I'm going to invest in Russell 2000. The ticker is IWM, so that you can see Russell 2000, and it's $202. So buy now, and I'm buying I think 3.18, $3.18. Yes, of Russell 2000. And I'm going to click on review order, click on USD wallet, and I'm going to place my order. So the market is closed, but when I buy, it's going to reflect on my portfolio on Monday, which is tomorrow, because I recorded this on a Sunday. So it's loading, reviewing, and it's taking forever. Yes, our order is placed. I've now bought the Russell 2000 shares. So now I wouldn't. So now I'm going to buy the next stock, which is going to be Tesla. So the ticker is TSLA. Yes. So I'm going to click on Tesla there, and I'm going to click on buy now, and click on. So I'm going to buy $3 worth of Tesla stock. So this is just how you buy stocks in Bamboo. So $3, place order. Market is closed, but I'm buying now regardless. So it's loading, reviewing order. Oh, this takes some time. So there you go. I just bought Russell 2000 shares and Tesla stock on my Bamboo wallet. So that's my name, Peter Roland. And I hid my portfolio because I'm also managing assets for other people as well, and I can't review. So when I go to my current value, you can see there's Russell 2000 and Tesla pending shares.